like to welcome you back to the channel. Today we're cooking a vegetable stir fry with no oil. And I've got stir fry vegetables, I've got some soy sauce, and I've got some special sauce that you'll find this on the, if you click on the channel, you'll find this sauce on there. And I'm going to just put it together now for you. So well, first, do you remember we said we're not cooking with no oil? So what we're going to do is put some of this sauce. We'll just put the veg up. Remember, it's going to be very hot. So the fire's going to be very hot to stir fry this today. So we've got the fire very high. So what we're doing, we're sweating this off in the sauce. We're going to need some more sauce on there. Remember, we don't want to over fry it. So all we're doing is sweating it off, and it's very high at the moment. We need to put some more sauce in it. Some more sauce, that's my special sauce. And the fire is very high at the moment. Soy sauce in the sweat fry, should I call it, because there's no oil in it. And I'm putting some Chinese salt and pepper seasoning on it. And as you can see, that the vegetables are nearly cooked out. And it's on a very high fire. You don't want it to overcook. So there you have it. Stir sweat. Vegetables stir fry. Vegetables stir fry. Just ask you to subscribe to the channel. Ask you to subscribe to the channel. And thank you very much. Remember I said today that we're doing a stir sweat because there is no oil in here. So I'm just going to plate it up for you so you can see what it looks like. Well, that's what it looks like when it's finished. You don't want it to be overcooked neither. So I said to you that we have used no oil in there, and what it is, I've used my secret sauce. It's like a sweet and sour sauce, which is jerk sauce, and I put some soy sauce in it. So thank you again for watching. I'd like you to subscribe to the channel and like and share. Thank you very much. Bye.